Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Google Pixel 6 Pro with a broken display. So we're going to perform a screen replacement on this one. And let's go! So this Google Pixel 6 Pro will be repaired by David. And first off, whenever we repair a Google Pixel smartphone is to remove the front display, not the back glass. Some Google Pixel do require you to remove the back glass first, but this one, front glass. So it's also held on by adhesive, so we have to be very careful because there's a flat cable that's connecting to the main board. And it's held on by a bracket. Unscrew it and then remove it, and then carefully extract the old display. This is the old adhesives that we have cleaned up, so we have to ready it for this replacement display. Clean it up first. As you can see, the replacement display doesn't have the connectors on the sides. We're gonna install that later. And this one is for the fingerprint scanner, because the Google Pixel 6 Pro has this under the screen fingerprint scanner. And we'll test it first. No adhesives this time. Just testing the connector. Press it in and then turn it on. And it works. It's that easy to replace the screen of a Google Pixel 6 Pro. So if you want to try this on your own, you can try this because it's pretty easy. Remove the front display and then unscrew that bracket, and then you can replace it directly. But later on, we will show you why it is more complicated compared to other Google Pixel smartphones. Fingerprint scanner is working. This is looking pretty good so far. We're gonna shut it down and of course proceed to the proper reassembly. This is what we're talking here. We've got the left side, there's some plastic frame. It goes under the display, so we have to align this so that when we press the display into the main frame of the Google Pixel 6 Pro, it will be flush and it will be secure. So we have to put adhesives on this one and then align it perfectly onto the replacement display. So some smartphones have this replacement screen with all the attachments included, so you don't have to think about it. But this time, this is the complicated part, and if you have a Google Pixel 6 Pro that's with the same condition, you have to go to a certified technician or just visit Sydney CBD Repair Centre and let David do that for you. This is the old display, by the way. I don't know why David is testing it. And then we're gonna test if the frame we attach in the underside of the replacement screen is gonna fit flush on the device. This is the rubber bushing for the front camera. Also needs to be aligned. And now we're gonna finally install a new screen on this Google Pixel 6 Pro. So as David goes along with this repair, he's testing it, so make sure that he will not do another repair. And it's working. Thanks for joining, guys. Till next time, cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.